Hello everyone, I am Karan Jain and I welcome you back on our channel Probably. Today in this video we will learn how to promote your musical instrument business on WhatsApp and boost sales by engaging customer. Okay, so the idea here is you have recently started a store where you are selling musical instruments and you have advertised about your store on Facebook. Now, whenever a new lead is generated from your advertisement, you have to send them the brochure of your store. But the problem here is, if you'll follow the manual process, you have to first collect the data of your new lead, then you have to type a message individually for them, add the link of the brochure, and then finally you will send it to them on WhatsApp. This process is very long and it will kill your time unnecessarily. So to save your time, I suggest you to bring some automation here. You want something like, you have advertised about your product on Facebook. Now whenever the new lead will enter your advertisement, a form will pop up automatically in front of them. They will submit the form and on successful submission of the form, automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. So for that, here I have used two applications. First, I have used Facebook. We have used this platform to advertise about our store. Secondly, I have used WhatsApp. You know, it's a famous chatting app to send them the message with the link of the brochure. But here I have to face one more problem. The problem is there is no direct link or integration between these two applications. So how I have performed the automation? Let me tell you. With the help of Pabbly Connect. Now you people will say, what is Pabbly Connect? So Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software. What it will do, it will help us to link both of these applications together so that every time the new lead is generated through your advertisement and they will fill up the form, on successful form submission, automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. Amazing, right? Now let me tell you one more amazing fact. To use this software Pabbly Connect, you need not to be from any technical background. A non-technical person can also use this software very easily. Now let me show you a real-time example on my screen. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is the form. This is how the form will appear in front of our customer. Now customers will fill up this form and on successful form submission, they will receive a WhatsApp message. So we will submit the form on behalf of our customer and automatically the customer will receive the message here. So let's fill up the form. Here you can see the email ID of our customer is tina000@gmail.com. This is the name of our customer, Tina Manuel, and this is the phone number. I'll click on next and now I'll submit the form. So we have successfully submitted the form. Now we will wait here for 2-3 seconds and automatically the message will reflect here. Wait for 2-3 seconds, guys. Okay, as you can see, a message has just arrived for Tina Manuel which says, "Hello Tina Manuel, thank you for showing your interest in ABX Instrumental Store. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our musical instruments. Link is given to you, okay? For more details, you can visit our website www.abxinstrument.com. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Okay, that's why this link is not clickable because we haven't saved the number. Thank you, regards. ABX Instrumental Store. Okay, so guys, as soon as you will save the number, the link will turn into hyperlink. Now let me copy the link and open it for you in the new tab. And we will see if the link opens the PDF file which I want to send to my customer. Yes, guys, you can clearly see this is the particular PDF file which I wanted to send to my customer. Here you can see on my screen. Now you must be thinking how I have managed to do this process. How? Just by submitting the form. On successful submission of the form, customer has received the WhatsApp message. So let me show you the process on my screen now. Okay guys, before we start with the process, let me tell you 3 easy steps of integration. In step number 1, we will connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook Lead Ad. So what we're gonna do first is, we'll log in into our Pabbly Connect account. Then we will integrate Facebook Lead Ads with Pabbly Connect. Why? Because we have run an advertisement on Facebook and from there new leads will be generated. Now whenever they will fill up the form, I want to send them the WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. So first it is important to integrate Facebook Lead Ads with Pabbly Connect. Now step number 2 says connect the data from Facebook Lead Ads to Pabbly Connect. So the customers will be filling up the form. I want the same data of the customer should get transferred into Pabbly Connect. So step number 2 says the same. And step number 3 says send the brochure on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So in the final step, we will be sending the messages to our customers on WhatsApp. But here's the twist, guys. We are not integrating WhatsApp here, but instead we are integrating 360 dialog. Why? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, we have to use another software, that is official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. Okay, now let's start with the process, guys. Okay guys, so to start with the process, you have to first open your browsers, come to the search engine and here search for Pabbly. Pabbly. Remember, Pabbly. Press enter. And as you can see on my screen, this is the website page of Pabbly. What you have to do next is click on products. And you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly on my screen. Today we are using Connect, so click on Connect. Okay, we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now for the first time users, if you can see a green button at my right corner which says sign up for free, guys, you have to click this and you can create your free account, completely free account in just 2 minutes, because I am already logged in, so I'll click on sign in. Okay, now once again you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly on my screen. As you know, today we are using Connect, so come on Connect and click on access now. Let it load for a second. And we have reached to the the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. This is how the dashboard of Pabbly Connect looks. Now we have to create a new workflow. So for that, come to your right corner. There's a blue button given to you. Click here. A mini box will appear in front of you, which will ask you to name your workflow. So here I'll name my workflow. Let's say I'll name my workflow as Facebook to WhatsApp. I have given the name to my workflow as the name of the applications I'm integrating today. Now I'll click on create. And as you can see, we have entered the workflow. Here we will be performing the steps of integration. Here you can see the name of the title I have given, the name of the workflow I have given. Okay. Now, before we start, let me share one important information to you. The workflow which we are creating today, I'll add the link of this same workflow in my description box. So you can click on the link and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. So don't forget to go and check the link. Now, before we start with the steps, let me read out what it is written here. Trigger when this happens, choose your first application trigger. Action, do this. Choose your next application action. Now you must be thinking, what is this trigger and what is this action? So let me tell you, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. In this particular case, trigger event will be submission of the form. We have run an advertisement on Facebook. Now customers will reach to your advertisement and a form will pop up. They will fill up the form. The successful submission of the form is trigger event. And as soon as they will submit the form, what is the response we want? We want automatically a WhatsApp message should reach to them with the link of the brochure. So understood, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. Now let's choose our first application to integrate. For that, you have to click on your first application, come to the search field and here search for Facebook lead ads. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. And now a new field of trigger event will emerge in front of you. If we'll click this arrow, you can see the particular action event. I want to choose this action event, new lead. I'll choose this and now I'll click on connect. A mini window will emerge in front of you asking for 2 options. I'll click on add new connection and now I'll click on connect with Facebook lead ad. Okay. Because I am already logged in, so it is showing me successful authorization. Now 2 fields have emerged, required fields which we have to fill. First field is page and second is lead generation form. So it is asking for the particular page which we have to map where we will run the live advertisement. So let me take you to my account, Facebook account first. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my Facebook account. Now come to your left corner, here some options are given to you. Among that, you have to click on pages. Okay, here you can see all of the pages I have created for different workflow. Now for this particular workflow, let me search for the page. Let me show you the page which I have created. Okay, let me scroll down. So this is the particular page, ABX Instrumental Shop. Let me open it for you. So you can see here, I want to map this particular page in my Pabbly Connect account. So how I'll do it, I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account, come to the page section. here, click on the arrow, and you can see all of the pages which I have shown you are there in my Facebook account can be seen here in the scroll down. So simply I'll search for the page and I'll map the page. Let me search for the page. Okay, let me type the page. So this is the page I have shown it to you, ABX Instrumental Shop, and automatically the form which is integrated with this page will appear here. Now click on save. Okay, and now let me show you the form, how the form will appear in the front of the customer. But before that, guys, I haven't run any live advertisement on my Facebook account. So I cannot show you how the form will appear in front of the customer from my Facebook account. But for this, Facebook provides another website which is Facebook for Developers, which is used for testing examples. So I can show you how the customers will see the form from that website. Let me take you to that website and let me show you the form first. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is how the customers will see the form. Now we will submit the form, okay, on behalf of our customer. Let's say our customer's email ID is sam000@gmail.com. Now our name of the customer is Sam John, and let me enter the mobile number. Okay, so you can see the information of our customer. Now I'll click on next and submit. Okay, we have successfully submitted the form. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account and we will see how we can capture the information of our customer there. Okay, so this is our Pabbly Connect account. Now, simply we have to click on save and send test request and automatically the responses will be captured here. As you can see, we have all the responses here, the email ID, the name and the mobile number. So this shows that we have successfully integrated Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Now we will jump to our next and final step, which is integration of 360 dialog. Why, once again guys, why we are using 360 dialog here? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that you have to use another software, which is official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. So for that you have to click on your next application, come to the search field and here you have to search for 360 dialog. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. And now a new field of action event has emerged in front of you. If you click this arrow, you can see the various action event. I want to choose this particular action event, send template message. So I'll choose this and now I'll click on connect. A mini window will emerge in front of you asking for two options. I'll click on add new connection. And now guys, it is asking me to fill up two fields. The first field it is asking me to fill is API key and the second one is domain. So let's first read out the description so that we can find out from where we can get the API key. Here it is written, enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. And in the domain it is written, enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key, example vava.360dialog.io. Okay, so let me take you to my 360 dialog account first. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on 360 dialog. Now if you are in doubt how I have reached to my account on 360 dialog or how I have created my account on 360 dialog, so for that we have created a different video and I have added the link of that video in my description box, so you can go and visit the link. And guys, I have added one more link in my description box. Now if you will go through that link, you can avail the services of this particular application 360 dialog at very affordable price instead of the usual price they charge. So don't forget to go and check both of the links. Now let me show it to you from where you can find the API key. Come to the left corner here, you can see three options are given to you. Click on WhatsApp account. Now come to the right corner below, you can see a blue button is given to you which says generate API key. Guys, listen to this very carefully. You have to click this and your API key will be generated along with the domain. Now this process of generating API key is a one-time process, so you don't have to do it again and again. You have to just click here once, your API key will be generated along with the domain, and the same API key can be used for different workflows. Okay, you will copy the API key from here
and the domain. Go back to your Pabbly Connect account. You'll paste the API key here and the domain here. Now you will click on save and you will be authorized back to your workflow. Now because of some security reasons, I cannot show you this process. And as I have told you, this process is a one-time process. So I have already generated my API key and the domain. Simply I have to paste it here accordingly and I'll click on save. So let's meet in our workflow directly, guys. Let me complete this process. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, I have been successfully authorized and back to my workflow. Now we have to fill up the required field. The first field is asking us for the template. So let me show it to you what is template first. Let's go back to our 360 account. Besides generate API key, here it is written show details. Click here. Okay, 3 options are given to you at top. Click on templates. Now here you can see all of the templates which I have created can be seen here on my screen. Now for this particular workflow, I have created a template. Let me show it to you. Here you can see the template name is send brochure final. Let me open it for you. So guys, you can read here, template is nothing but just the body of SMS which we will send to our customer. Let me read it for you. Hello, 1. Thank you for showing your interest in 2. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our 3 link. For more details, you can visit our website 5. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards 6. Now you people must be thinking, what are these numbers and why they are given here? So guys, these numbers are nothing but they are just the variables which will be keep changing according to the information of our customer. For example, in place of number 1, the name of our customer will come. So as soon as I'll enter the name of my customer in body field 1, automatically this number will change into its value. Let me show it to you. Okay guys, so our customer name is Sam John, and you can clearly see as soon as I have entered the name in my body field, automatically the number has changed to its value. Same goes with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all are variables. Okay. Now it is not important to keep any number of variable when you will create your template. You can keep the variables according to yourself. Okay. Now let me show it to you how you can create the template. Okay. Go up, scroll up at the top. And at the right corner, you can see a blue button is given to you which says add template. Click here and the format of template will appear in front of you. Now you can name your template from here. You can select the particular language in which language you want the template, the body of SMS I mean. And finally, you will type the body of SMS here. Now listen to this carefully again, guys. When you will create your template, after creating the template, you have to click on preview and submit, and you have to send your template for approval. Now approval process is done by FB, and approval process takes from 2 hours to 2 days. Okay, if I'll tell you in general, the approval is done within 1 day only, but it is very important to create the template first and then send it for approval, because without the approval process you cannot use your template. Let me show it to you on my screen. Here you can see all my templates are approved. That's why I can use these templates in my workflow. Okay. Now I have to map this particular template which I have shown it to you in my Pabbly Connect account. So I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account. I'll come to the template section. I'll click this arrow and I'll search for the particular template. Okay, here is the template, send brochure final. I'll simply click on this and I'll map the template. Let it load for a second. Okay guys, now you don't have to do anything about these 2 fields, namespace and language code. They will be automatically be filled up. Now in the language code, it is written EN, guys. EN is the code for English. If I'll go back on 360 dialog account, here under the language section, you can see it is written EN, 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 EN. This shows that all our templates are in the English language. Okay. So you don't have to fill these fields. Now come to your next field, which is recipient mobile number. So we'll map the number of our customer. But before that, guys, let me tell you what is mapping of data. If we'll click on the field, the scroll down will appear in front of you. Now if we'll click on the scroll down, here you can see the responses. These responses are the same responses which we have captured above in Pabbly Connect. Now this option of mapping data is given to you because whenever you are required to fill up the field, you need not to go up, search for the value, copy it, come down and paste it and do it again and again. Simply you can click on the field, go to the scroll down, search for the value which is number, click here and your value will be mapped. Okay. Now the body fields have started. I have already told you how the body fields work. here in front of every body field, the example is given to you so that you can understand in which body field what you have to enter. For example, here it is written Heather Ali. So here we have to enter the name, I mean map the name of our customer. How? Go to the scroll down, search for the value Sam John and simply click this. In body field 2, in the example it is given Pabbly Connect. So here we will enter the name of our store, which is ABX Instrumental Shop, I mean. Okay, now in body field 3 in example it is given software, so we are providing musical instruments here. Okay, now come to body field 4. In example, a link is given to you. So guys, here we have to add the link of the brochure which we want to send to our customer. So I have already uploaded the PDF file of the brochure in my Google Drive account. Let me take you to my Google Drive account and let me show you the brochure first. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on Google Drive. Now let me show you the PDF file, the folder which I have created and where I have uploaded my PDF file. Okay, so this is the folder ABX Instrumental Shop and this is the PDF file which the customers will be receiving. You can see here. Now I want the link of this PDF file. Okay, so how I'll get it? Go to the right corner where it is written more options. Click here. Click on share. Okay. Now here, besides get link, you can see what status it is written. Anyone on the internet with this link can view. Okay, so I'll copy the link. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect account and simply I'll paste it here. Simple. Okay. Now in body field 5, it is asking for the website name. So let's give a name to our website. Let's say our website name is www.abxinstrument.com, and again in the body field 6 we have to enter the name of our store. So I'll simply copy it and paste it here. Simple. So guys, we have successfully filled up all the details here. You can see one more time on my screen. Okay, now what we have to do, click on save and send test request and we will see if there is any error in the responses or not. No guys, there is no error in the responses. It is showing stable. So it means that our message has been sent to our customers successfully. Let me take you to my WhatsApp web account and let's see if our customer has received any message or not. Yes guys, you can clearly see a message has arrived for Sam John which says, "Hello Sam John, thank you for showing your interest in ABX Instrumental Store. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our musical instruments. Link is given to you. Okay. For more details, you can visit to our website www.abxinstrument.com. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, ABX Instrumental Store." Okay guys, that's why this link is not clickable because we haven't saved the number. If you'll save the number, this link will turn into hyperlink. Now let me show this to you. If the link takes us to the same PDF file which I have shown it to you. 1 minute, let me copy the link and paste it here. Now let's see if we will go to the same PDF file. Yes guys, I have shown it to you. This is the same PDF file which I wanted to send to my customer. So the integration has perfectly worked. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. Okay, and let me tell you one more time what we have done. First, we have integrated Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect and I have shown it to you how the customers will see the form. Now, after the customer will fill up the form, the responses will be captured here. Okay, and we will integrate 360 dialog in our next step to send the messages to our customer on WhatsApp. And I have shown you how the fields will be filled. Okay. So guys, you can see how the workflow has been made, and this is a simple workflow of 2 steps. Now, one more time, I'll add the link of the same workflow in my description box. So you can visit the link and you can clone the same workflow directly into your free Pabbly Connect account. Okay, thank you.
Hello guys, before you leave, let me tell you not only just these applications, but you can integrate tons of other applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to contact us, this is our email ID admin@pabbly.com. If you have any further queries, you can always visit to this website. And guys, if you really liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. It will really keep us boosted and we will keep providing you such videos. Thank you.